a water park to your backyard with little Tikes. It's easy to make a splash. Just stake it, inflate it, start the water flowing, and let the fun begin. They even pack up easily in their own carrying case. Be sure to look for this logo because Little Tikes has sturdy double-stitch seams, tough fabric that resists rips and tears, and high-pressure blowers for more bounce to the ounce. So kids can play and stay active with Little Tikes Rocky Mountain River Race. It has double slides for twice the fun, and a climbing wall with grab handles. There's even a dump bucket for soaking up more fun. Little Tikes brings the water park home.